Hello and welcome to Mutt MC. I'm G, as some of you know, and today we're going to be fitting the shiny new exhaust from RBMC. Now this is the lextek, as you can see, and it looks absolutely fantastic. So basically what we're going to do is take the old one off. This one hasn't got a catalytic converter in it. The catalytic converter on the standard one is fitted just there. It's just there. That removes the cap. I think it's a slightly larger pipe as well, and hopefully a bit extra power. So first of all, what you're going to do is I'm just going to do a video of the bike starting. So I've got a Mutt Akita 125. So bear with me 1 second. So that's what it sounds like at the moment. I'm just going to pause it now and I'll do a video of how to take the old one off, put the new one on. Thank you very much.